Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. We have some more, as I said in my previous video, NBA Donruss hangers, 50 cards per box, 3 green floods, parallels, hoping for some rookies maybe, or some good vets like LeBron, etc., KD, and then the autograph signature series. So we managed to hit a good one last video, so go check that out if you haven't seen it already. Not bad. Can be a prick to open. If you haven't already, guys, check out the Instagram NBA Dimes. I post all my quality cards out there for you guys to check out. I'm going to kick it off with Mikal Bridges. What's our rookie at the back? Obi Toppin. Not bad. I basically got every rookie in the set out of the 50, so not too worried about them. I just want some good parallels and a good auto, basically. So here we go. Like last time, I'll go through the base first. I know it's annoying, but part of the product gives you guys a good view of what's actually in the set. So we've got Mikal Bridges, Darius Garland, Bam Adebayo, Joel Embiid up the Sixers, Damian Lillard, Shake Milton, Jackson Hayes, not even going to pronounce that, Valanciunas, I'm pretty sure, LeBron James, Blake Griffin, Ricky Rubio, Terrence Ross, Kristaps Porzingis. Didn't go as well in the Mavs Game 7 as I would have hoped. I wanted them to beat the Clippers, but no luck. Hassan Whiteside, Marvin Bagley III, Goran Dragic, Bryn Forbes, Jaylen Brown up the Celtics. Shout out Daniel Murray, Wesley Matthews, Marquise Chris, Gallinari, Brook Lopez, Doug McDermott, Miles Turner, Mike Conley. Now we get into the good stuff. Buddy Hield, Gordon Hayward, Bradley Beal, Calvin Johnson. Come on, some luck. Ben Simmons, Zubac, Miles Bridges, Kobe White, good player, Serge Ibaka. What do we got here? Rated rookie? No. Nets, Kyrie, KD, Harden. KD, I'll take that. Very nice card. What do we got under here? Pelican, Donruss. Please be Zion or Lonzo. Drew Holiday. Put that up there. Save that up soon. Is this a rookie? Charlotte Hornet. Be a rookie. Oh my god, it's a rookie. Boys, Lamelo Ball. Lamelo Ball. Come on. Oh, no way. The hype was real. Damn, I actually thought that was out there. Boys, what a letdown. Trust that they don't put him in this. Kyrie Irving, Devin Vassell, DeMar DeRozan, and then the rooks are Cassius Stanley, Julius Ramsey, Jordan, Theo, Malachi Flynn, RJ Hampton, Jake Fleming, Isaiah Stewart, Devin Vassell, and Obi Toppin. Damn. Well, we've got a nice KD, I suppose. I'll take it. But damn, that rated rookie Charlotte Hornets got me hyped. And we get this guy. It's about 5 Charlotte Hornets. And it's never the one you want. Don't even know if this guy got any playing time this year. Decent centering too. If only it was LaMelo Ball. And maybe if this one was Zion, would be happy days. Or Lonzo. But anyway, catch you guys on the next one.